16. Math Genesis, Part 1, King James Version. God divided the light from the darkness, to divide the day from the night. Divide is a math term. Before he tells us to multiply and fill the earth, he shows us division, the hardest division. To see this divide, you must know what is light and darkness. So what is day and what is night, and light and darkness? We can for now use a placeholder to try to attempt to understand it. If you think about it, darkness is unknown, like zero is a void. And like how darkness is the lack of light, nothingness is like zero. Light is harder to figure out what represents it. Light could be represented by infinity. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Everything the light touches. Everything. You can say light equal infinity and darkness equal zero. Time to do math and divide. Infinity divided by zero equal double infinity. Just like how day plus night equal 1 day. Actually, infinity divided by zero can be negative infinity or positive infinity. It all depends on whether zero is negative zero or positive zero. Are you approaching zero from negative one direction or from positive one direction? This is the method we use to figure this answer out. The zero decides the fate of opposite extremes ends. This is why people call this division undefined, meaning there is no one answer. But one thing is certain, the zero amplifies infinity even more. But it also can even flip the direction of infinity. For something with no value, it seemed to have all the power. Division by zero has been something mathematicians have been pondering for a very long time. And isn't it like God to show this division as the very first math in Genesis? God is the very first to divide by zero, something we humans still don't know how to do. It doesn't matter if light equal 1 or 2 or 10 or 1,000. Anything divided by zero is considered infinity, or technically called undefined. Isn't it like God? God has chosen the weak things of the world to confound the things which are mighty. No, I don't think light can ever be considered negative infinity, since negative numbers are concerning things that don't exist, such as 5 negative apples versus 5 apples. You can say the only chance for light to be negative infinity is through zero. Isaiah 5:20. Woe to those who call evil good and good evil, who put darkness for light and light for darkness, who put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter. If you swap the places of infinity and zero in this division, then the answer is zero. No value at all. Something finite divided by infinity will always equal zero. After God divides, do you really think the answer would be zero? When God divides for the first time, the answer is so impossible to figure out that we still to this day don't know the answer. Part 2. In the beginning was the number, and the number was with God, and the number was God. He was with God in the beginning. I am Alpha and Omega. Listen carefully. The first letter of the Bible has the value of 2. The last letter of the Bible has the value of 50. If you know math, 50 is significant in that if 100% is max, then 50% is half, 1/2. A father divided his inheritance in 2 and gave each to each of his 2 sons. In business, 50% is not a majority stake like 51%. No one have control of the kingdom. They must both agree, or no action for the company can happen. No majority rule exists, no dictatorship. It is both must agree. Here you see God is thinking of the smallest division, dividing into 2. Whether it is impossible division that humans haven't been able to solve yet, or the most simple division that even a child can do, I hope you see God's heart. Hold on to that.